Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of PDF Generator Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar in App Marketplace to search for the application you'd like to install. And when you find it, click on it. From there, click Install and allow an install. Once that's done, refresh your page. And when the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains all information about the application. Next is the Tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the Setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your account online. In your PDF Generator account, click on Settings. From there, scroll down, copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client secret and paste it where required. And finally, copy your account ID, head to your account and paste it where required. From there, click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address here, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.